Magandang umaga Pilipinas and hello world! Ako po si Ryan at welcome sa Cupcakes po! Ngayong araw na ito, I'll be teaching you the easiest recipe on how to make the perfect red velvet cupcakes. Let's get started! To make the perfect red velvet cupcake, what you will need is 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of high quality cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of buttermilk, 135 grams soft unsalted butter, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of red color paste, half a teaspoon of cider vinegar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first thing that you'll need to do is to sift all your dry ingredients into your mixing bowl. With the flour, the sugar, cocoa powder, and sift it all together. And then we add the butter and the eggs directly to the bowl. You start on a low speed and you mix this for about a minute. So you mix your red food paste with your buttermilk. It's now time to add the vanilla. Turn it back on low speed. And your buttermilk and your red color paste mixture. And let it mix for about another minute. Scrape the bowl to make sure that there are no ingredients at the bottom of the bowl. So the final step for our batter is to add the apple cider vinegar to our baking soda. What this is gonna do is gonna create a fizz or a bubble effect that will make that nice fluff for your cupcakes. Make sure to check the show notes for the recipe and the detailed instructions. So using an ice cream scooper, we evenly portion out the cupcake batter into the cupcake liners. And now we're gonna bake this for 22 minutes. Now it's time for us to make the cream cheese frosting. First step to make the cream cheese frosting is to beat the butter and the cream cheese together for about 5 minutes. And now it's time for us to add the powdered sugar. Look at that! So fluffy. Our cupcakes are now done and we set them aside for about 30 minutes to cool. While my cupcakes are cooling, I place our cream cheese frosting into 18-inch Wilton piping bags with the 1A piping tip. The 1A piping tip is the largest round tip from Wilton. To decorate your cupcakes, place a small amount of cream cheese frosting in the middle, creating a little tower, and then pipe a swirl on your cupcake, starting from the middle, working your way out, and back to the middle. Then you give it a little tap. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. On the comment section below, tell me what you would like to see in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share this video to all your friends. Thanks for watching. See you again next week. This is one good cupcake.